Well, that was a crash and burn. Come here.
Ready?
Yeah.
He knows I won't forget where he's at.
She says, ow.
What are you looking for, Frank?
Skylar, come here. Come on, baby.
That
Skylar.
flat, clear bowl?
Come on. Hey.
Yeah.
Corner next to the microwave.